How to reverse a video in CapCut Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to reverse a video in CapCut. Let's dive right in. Open up the app and you can go to the edit option in the bottom left. You can choose a video from your gallery or just edit on your existing video. Once you select the video, you just need to tap on the timeline of the video and you can see various icons at the bottom. Just swipe to the left until you find the reverse option. You can see reverse, tap on it. You need to wait for a while it is reversing. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.